Here is where
What you believe, you can achieve.
Where world-class manufacturing is done in the USA.
Where cutting-edge technology drives our customer experience.
Where research and development propel us forward.
and where people, love, and respect is more than just a slogan. Here is where
I learned I was capable of more.
I learned I could take risks and grow.
I learned responsibility and trust are given freely from day one.
I learned big ideas can come from anyone, even interns.
And here is where sustainability is not just a local effort, but a global one.
and where our work enriches the lives of women and their families in 37 countries around the world. Here is where
Here's where I found mentoring.
Community.
Challenge.
Meaning.
I found big fun in the big D.
And did we mention money? Here is
Innovating.
Amazing.
Elevating.
Affirming.
and here is where we do something beautiful every day. Here
Here.
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 is Mary Kay.
Mary Kay.
Mary Kay.
Mary Kay.
It's Mary Kay.
Is Mary Kay.
Surprised? Sure, we'll always honor our past, but you know what? We're all about the future, especially yours.
So do something beautiful.
So do something.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
So do something beautiful.
And apply today.